Alright guys, in this video we are going to be proving that if A divides B and B divides C, definitely A will divide C. Now this line you are seeing here, this line is not a slash, it's actually it means that A divides B. Alright, now for example, this means that if I should write, for example, 3 divides 6, it means that 3 can go in 6. This is not, it's not the same thing as 3 over 6. This is not equal. What this is denoting is that 3 can divide 6. So let's have that in mind. Now, if 3 can divide 6, that means 6 is equal to 3 times something. Because if 3 can divide 6, that means 6 is equal to the multiple of 3 times something. So having known these two concepts, that this means 3 divides 6, and if 3 can divide 6, then 6 is equal to the multiple of 3. So we are going to apply that in what we're about to prove in this video. Okay, so in that case, I say A divides B is the same thing as writing B is equals to A times something. So let's call that something M, and that M is an integer. Okay, that M is an integer, and same thing goes to this one. B divides C, that means C is equals to B, let's say, times something, and that something is also an integer. Okay, now let's call this equation 1. This is equation 2. If you look at this critically, I can substitute AM for B in this equation, because B is equals to AM and we have B here. So in other words, C can be equal to, instead of writing B, I'll write AM and I'll write the N there. Alright, we have established the fact that N and M, they are an arbitrary number that we are multiplying with the main number. So C is equals to A into the bracket of what? Mn. So if C is equals to A times these two guys, then we can now say that A divides C, because C is equals to A times something. So we have been able to prove that if A divides B, B divides C, then A will divide C. And don't forget that this rule is called a transitive relation. It's called a transitive relation. So in the subsequent videos, we're going to see how we get to prove numbers in this number theory topic.